Welcome back to my channel, and today I've got Glossybox. Now, Glossybox is £13.25 a month, and yeah, so let's, without any further ado, let's just open this box. I know there is one product in here that I really do want. It is the £98. I repeat that, it is a massive amount for a face cream. But it is £98 for this nighttime face cream. But I know that it's not going to work straight away because a face cream will never do that. It takes 3 months, and maybe it's more months for it to work. The only thing that will actually work on your face is if you do injections. That is it. That's immediate effect. Injections, not cream. Cream takes months, so it's never going to be a miracle cream. But okay, so this is Glossybox, and it's nice, sleek pink original design for Glossybox this month. We're going back to the old style because there just is no. That's a better view, isn't it? Yeah, that way. I was thinking that way. Because that way it blocks the light, doesn't it? Maybe it's, well, anyway, so there we go. I'm rambling too much. Glossybox is back to the sleek design. Right, okay, so we'll open it up and we see the contents. And I don't want to see that. Not quite yet. I do like this black ribbon. It looks really sleek. Very nice. And sleek design again. Okay, so let's just open it up. Oh, wow, I see the first item. I like this item. It is an argan oil by Husk. Husk products, I've used them before on my hair. They work amazingly. It's just like my hair just is so dry because I dry it with a hairdryer and use all of the bad stuff on it, that this is like, when I put this on it, my hair just like goes, all the moisture up, it soaks it up, and it just is amazing on my hair. I love that. It is amazing. They also do the shampoo, but it's quite expensive in Superdrug. You can buy the whole range of Husk in Superdrug, because I know sometimes I do that. Right, okay, so there we go. This is a hair mask, by the way. It strengthens, it restores, it smooths dry, damaged hair. It is really a good one. It's repairing, deep conditioning. So that is what it is. I'm happy about that. I love it. Right, so next item is, this is a redefined facial micro loofah foaming gel. Oh, wow. That is very, very interesting. I think so too. I think it's interesting. It is a facial micro loofah. What is a foaming gel? Ah, right, okay. So it says, we race for improvement and put all our heart into everything we do. We will awaken your senses through a full natural experience like you've never had before. Wow. So it says, see incredible results. This is a touch textiles shell amazing fragrances, and it's a facial micro loofah foaming gel. So it's a micro natural loofah beads. This impurities and dead skin cells. So on wet skin, apply a thin layer in circular motions. Right, I'm going to have a look at this because it's like I'm intrigued by it. So I haven't got no water, so I'm just going to open it. I've opened it up, and right, it's going to come out like a clear. It's very highly scented. I usually don't like highly scented products on my face. It's really a scrubby texture though. But it is highly scented, so I would be careful with that. We're putting it around the face area because so highly scented. Anyway, if it's any good, it will go in my good video, because I've got a load of products to show you. When I get the time, I'm going to do a good and bad video. So let's just see which one this one goes in. The good box or the bad box. Right, okay, so there we go for that one. Right, okay, so the next item is this. Oh, I've had this one before. This is a no, I've never had the dry damage control one. But anyway, it is a Batiste dry shampoo. Damage control for hair that's weak or damaged, with a strengthening keratin in it. So this one, it claims that it is the invisible formula. I've had Batiste before, and honestly it just looks like it makes my hair go grey, like I've aged about 20 years or something like that. But hopefully this one won't do it. Well, we will try it anyway. Can you see it? Any white? There is no white residue there at all. And it is like conditioning my hair. That is amazing. That's exactly what I wanted. I've been looking for a dry conditioner. And this, oh my. So it's not actually cleaning my hair. It's giving it a shine. That is amazing. I love it. That is amazing. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to use that every single day, because that is just, my hair feels so, it feels so, what's the word I'm looking for? It's so moisturized. That's what it feels like. It's not, this side is dry and dull, and this side feels more sleeker and more moisturized. Thumbs up. It was a good one. Good product. I liked it. And then the next item, what we got is, this is a Wilkinson Sword Eyebrow Shaper. So there we go. It's like that. Now then, it just says an eyebrow shaper is exactly shapes your eyebrows. Position, cover, shortens the blade length for precise styling of eyebrows. Right, okay, so obviously I'm not going to do my eyebrows on here, but I'm thinking, how do you shorten? Right, so let's just see if I have any sort of hairs. I don't really have any little army hairs, maybe. Does it take them off? Yes, it does. I don't know whether you'll be able to see that, but it does take hairs off. So if you have and also it's good for around that area there. Right, you know, like your mustache. It is really good for your mustache as well. Very good. I do like it. Another product I like. So for £13.25, I don't think this is a bad box really. Up to now, I love that, and I love that. And I'm not sure about that, but we'll give it a go. So then, there's one more item, and it is this. The most wanted item of this box, because it's an overnight moisturising cream, and it has shea butter in it, and it's hyaluronic with vitamin B3 in it, and it's a seawater, and it's a sweet almond deluxe hyaluronic acid face cream for night time, and it is what I've been waiting for. It is a band, so we're going to try it. It is also a carabiner free and paraben free and age nutrient refine. This is made in the EU, and yes, so that's, there we go. You see the information. You've got 12 months to use this up as well, but like I said, this is just not going to work instantly. It's going to take time, and I will put on the hat. It has a really nice light scent to it, and it's just gorgeous. I love the scent to it, but there again, it's a scented product and it's going on your face, so we will see just what it's like. But it really is moisturising. It feels really nice on my hand there. Right, okay, so round up of this month's Glossybox. When I think of it, well, I really do like it, and I think for £13 I've definitely got my money's worth because I like it. So I will probably use that, and if it's good, it'll go in my good box. Bad box. That's the way we will do it. So this is a, do we have the information? Oh, yeah, this is the number one for Glossybox for this month. It just says it's a deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face and eye night cream, and it just is going on about it. So there we go. It's £98, which is quite good for Glossybox. Right, so then we got this, and this is a 417 facial micro loofah foaming gel. It says it cleanses my skin on the morning and on the night. It is a refreshing foaming gel cleanser into your body regime. Simply work the gel into damp skin in circular motions to gently exfoliate, so it removes all of the dead skin. So we will see how I go along with it. There it is, and this is the price for this is £13.31. So full-sized item, which is a 200ml, is £22.71. So I'm thinking that we got the 100ml, and we did, and this is worth £13. Did we get the full amount for this one? This one is, it doesn't tell me, 50ml. So this one is a 50ml, and it doesn't tell you. Oh yes, it does. We got full size, so that is definitely £98. So that is like £13.31. So this is, I don't think that this is a full size one. I'm sure it isn't. We got a deluxe mini, which is 50ml, which is worth £1.50. The full size one, which is 200ml, which is £4.25. And you can get that at bastillehair.co.uk, and I will definitely order that. It's amazing stuff. For £4.25, it's worthwhile because it just, my hair feels lovely with it. So I like that. And then we got this, which is the eyebrow shapers. These are, where are these? These are £3.99, and you get these from Wilkinson's sword.co.uk/woman. So there we got £3.99 for that. This, I know you can get it in Superdrug, but this is £2.49 for this one mask. It is quite expensive, but it is expensive in Superdrug as well. So, and you can get that at housebeauty.com. So okay, so now if you don't want to see February's, look away now, because this is what's coming up in February, and it is amazing. It is the amazing Huda Beauty. So it's a Huda Beauty lip liner. Look at it. There we go. And we're getting flirty with the February, the Fabulous Lip Con. And this is worth £16. It's from Huda Beauty. I think you do have a choice. You can have Flirt or Venus. Whichever one you choose is up to you. I think that I wouldn't know which one to go for now. I like Venus, maybe, but I like Flirt, because Flirt is like a, I don't know, it's a nice reddy orangey colour. I like Venus as well. So anyway, there we go. And if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button, smash that share button, and you know, just do it. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!